All right, it is day one of a new little challenge we're doing. I'm in the middle of doing it. It's basically, we're gonna use ChatGPT or AI as my fitness coach for the next 30 days or more. But last month, for January, I basically did not improve my cardio fitness whatsoever. So now I'm not doing my own schedule or my own fitness plan because clearly it's not working. So I gotta do something different. And I figured we've been doing a lot of ChatGPT and AI stuff, so might as well try it and see how it goes. So right now we're doing the first day, which is intervals. So it's HIIT, and all we need to do is warm up, which we did. Then 1 minute of running as fast, not as fast as possible, but like fast. And then 2 minutes of walking, and then repeat that 6 times. And then ChatGPT said to increase it by 1 cycle every week, max out 10. So 10 cycles once we're done with week 4. So getting ready to do it. Well, we're in the middle of doing it, but this is basically just day 1. We'll pause a little bit. Right now we're just running around this track, so it's almost been 2 minutes since we started. And once it hits 2 minutes, we're just gonna run in a big circle around this park, and then we'll try to film again. But that's basically it for day 1. For the next days, I'm actually unsure on what ChatGPT said I gotta do, but it's mixing in strength training and all that stuff to be a good fitness plan in general, not just to increase VO2 max. But it's about 2 minutes, let's go. All right, luckily the pause button worked. We just ran 1 minute around this thing. It takes about a minute to get around. So that's good because honestly I need an alert or something on my watch for when I run to do this. I know there's plenty of apps like interval timers and whatnot that can do that, but right now I'm kind of just relying on starting the workout, looking at what time it starts, and then just going a minute from there. But yeah, this whole VO2 max journey, we're barely at the beginning. This is basically month 2, or month 3 now, starting. Month 1, we managed to increase it from 32 to around 37. And then month 2, it just remained around 37 and 38. So now we're gonna see the results of month 3, and we're gonna use ChatGPT to help us out. Obviously, I could just actually try to look it up, like routines online and stuff, but I kind of want to just have fun with it along the way, and also create some sort of content with it as well. And like I said, we've been doing this AI thing for a bit, and it's fun. I'm also using AI to learn about particle physics right now, and maybe I'll make some content related to that also. Also, I'm totally winning myself by talking a lot, but it's still really fun. It's a cloudy, super cloudy day, but I'm enjoying it. Now, that's, I think, basically it for everything I wanted to say, so we might as well just end this video and just keep running. I did it 3 or 4 times now. I need to keep track better. Okay, but this is the challenge, day 1, and we'll record each day, at least for the first week, so that we can show what ChatGPT is actually telling me to do. And I'm gonna try my best to follow it exactly. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one.